This is DeWalt's DWV 9000, and it sounds a bit like a mad scientist invention, but it's just the airlock adapter. Well, specifically, it's DeWalt's universal connector for their dust extraction system. If you've purchased a part of DeWalt's dust extraction solution in the past, say a shop vac or some hose, then you'll be familiar with these. If not, then allow me to introduce you. Essentially, what this is the interface between your machinery or your power tool and your dust extraction system. In one end, the hose is slotted in and tightened on, and the other is, as the name suggests, a universal adapter, so it can easily be switched between machine and tool without having to find all different adapters that's going to fit into different holes. As previously mentioned, these do come standard with DeWalt's dust extraction systems. However, you can also purchase these individually if you have additional hoses, and they can also be purchased in a kit with a myriad of other accessories. Now, these other accessories are actually what's going to be interfacing with your machinery. Included in this kit are 3 standard adapters. These have an ounce diameter of 34mm, and on the other side interface with the universal adapter. These are small and low profile enough that they can be left in your machinery and you won't even notice they're there. Up next, we've got the angled adapter. Much like the regular counterpart, it has an outer diameter of 34mm. However, you'll notice it's slightly longer, and this is because it's at an offset angle of about 30 degrees. This is ideal for use on things like circular saws, where the dust extraction tube is off at a bit of an upright angle, so this is going to be a more comfortable angle for your extraction tube to follow behind. And just like that, onto the final interface point. It's rubberized, so it's flexible, and it's also tapered. So instead of going directly down to 34mm, you get that taper that will allow it to fit and adapt into a few more different machines. And then, as a cheeky bonus, you also get this cable guide clip. It does what it says. It clips onto the tube, and it also clips onto your cable to have them running parallel so you don't get them all tangled up together. So how do these work together? Well, we take a look at the interface point. It has a rotating head, which activates 3 ball bearings on the inside. These ball bearings lock in place to lock onto the different interfaces. So if you can imagine, one of these is in the extraction port of one of your machines. You twist to rotate to release. It simply gets inserted in and locked on by twisting. Then that's not going anywhere because it's not just press fit, but it's a mechanical connection. So no matter how hard you tug, it's not going anywhere. Then to simply change your dust extraction to a different machine, twist to release, slip off, and slip onto any other machine that you see fit. As you can probably see, this is an incredibly useful platform. For those of you that aren't already using it, you owe it to yourself too. And for those of you that are, well, all I can say is, as hard wearing as these are, get yourself a few spare, because this is to go down on you, well, be in a bit of a pickle. But anyway, thanks for watching. If you want to pick up any of these products, then check them out at tooledup.com. I'll see you next time.